Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. This week we have continued the same topic, materials around us. What are the materials around us? Plants, animals, rocks and soil, etc. These are the materials around us. Look here children, next side heading is fiber. What is mean by fiber? Fiber is a man-made or natural substances. What is fiber? Man-made or natural substance is called a fiber. Before enter the lesson, we are going to discuss about hardwoods. Hardwoods. First one, plant fibers. Plant fibers. What is mean by plant fibers? It is traditionally used as paper, cloth and rope. Plant fibers. P-L-A-N-T. Plant fibers. F-I-B-R-E-S. Plant fibers. Next one, animal fiber. Animal fibers. It is a natural fibers. For example, silk. Silk, hair, fur and feathers. Animals fibers. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal fibers. F-I-B-R-E-S. Animal fibers. Next one, jute. Jute. What is mean by jute? It is a shiny, strong and long material. Jute. J-U-T-E. Jute is a shiny material, long material and strongest material. Next one, silk. S-I-L-K. Silk is a strongest material. What material? Strongest material. For example, silk saree, silk dhotis, silk shirt, etc. Next one, wool. Wool. Wool is a warm material. So, we wear sweater, socks and caps, etc. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool is a warm material. We use to socks, sweater and caps, etc. Leather. Leather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R. Leather. Leather is a flexible, so belt, watch straps and bags are made from it. This is leather. It is a flexible material, so belt, watch straps and bags are made from it. Next one, clay. Clay. C-L-A-Y. Clay. Clay is a natural material. Clay is a what material? Natural material. It is a type of soil. It is a type of soil. Clay is a natural material. It is a type of soil. Next one, metals. Metals. M-E-T-A-L-S. Metals. Metals are materials got from metal ores. Metals are materials got from ores. For example, gold, silver, iron and copper. For example, gold, silver, iron and copper. Next one, paper clips. Paper clips. P-A-P-E-R. Paper clips. C-L-I-P-S. Clips. Paper clips. A paper clip is a device used to hold sheets of paper together. Paper clips is a paper clips is a device used to hold sheets of paper together. Last one, matter. Matter. M-A-T-T-E-R. Matter. Matter is anything natural or man-made that occupies space. Matter is a natural or man-made that occupies space. Children, we are going to discuss about fiber. Children, do you know how clothes and ropes are made? Do you know, children, these clothes and ropes are made? Fiber is a material obtained from both plants and animals. Fiber is a natural or man-made substance that is significantly longer than it is wide. Cotton and jute are the fibers got from plants. See this, cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are the fibers got from plants. Wool and silk are the fibers obtained from animals. Children, see this, wool and silk are fibers obtained from animals. What are the materials obtained from animals? This wool and silk are obtained from the animals. Look here, children. See this coconut tree. Have you seen this? From this coconut tree, we get this coconut. From this coconut, we get this coconut husk. Have you seen this, children? This name is coconut husk. From this coconut husk, we get this coconut fiber. This is a coconut fiber. From this fiber, we get this coir, mat, etc. Uses of this coconut fiber: mattress, mat, rope, brush. It is a very good manure to grow plants. Doormat, coconut fiber, and huskers also used for gardening. Uses of coconut fiber, for example, this mattress, brush and rope, etc. Look here, children. Have you seen this? What is this? This is a parachute. These threads are made by silk thread. Silk thread is a strong material and is used in making this parachute. This thread is a silk thread. How strong thread? See this. This is a parachute. Silk thread is a strong material and is used in making this parachute. Children, next one, jute fiber. Jute fiber is long, shiny and the strongest material. Look here, children. It is a natural fiber with golden silky shine and hence called the golden fiber. For example, this jute basket, twine, furnitures and gunny bags, etc. Look here, children. These are the products of wool. Wool primarily comes from sheep. Wool is made up of the protein keratin, the same protein found in human hair. For example, this cap, sweater, socks, etc. Look here, children. Silk is the strongest natural fiber. We make many things like bags, mats and saris from this fiber. The best known silk is obtained from the cocoon of the larvae of the mulberry silkworm. For example, the silk sari, silk dhoti, silk shirt, etc. Look here, children. Leather is flexible material. Real leather is made from animal skin. For example, these belts, watch straps, bags, etc. Look here, children. Put a tick for the correct pair and a cross for the wrong one. Shall we do, children? Put a tick for the correct pairs and a cross for the wrong one. Okay, see this picture. This is a jute basket. This is a wool. Is this correct pair, children? No, this is wrong one. Say this. This is a woolen socks from this wool. Is this correct? Yes, very good. This is the correct pair. Say this silkworms. This silk saree. We get silk sarees from this silkworm. Is this correct pair, children? Yes, very good. This is the correct pair. Say this. This is a belt from this leather. We get leather from the belt. Is this correct pair, children? Yes, very good. This is the correct pair. Say this. This woolen. This is a sarees cloth. Is this correct, children? No, this is the wrong pair. See this. This is coconut. From this coconut fiber, we get this rope. Is this correct, children? Yes, very good. This is the correct pair. You will do this work in your book, children. Children, have you seen this? What is this? This is clay. Clay is a natural material. It is a type of soil. What is this? Clay. Clay is a natural material. What material? Natural material. It is a type of soil. It is a soft, loose and earthy material. Clay is a soft, loose and earthy material. When it is mixed with water, it becomes soft. When it is mixed with water, what happens? It becomes soft. See how soft material. It hardens as it dries, so parts and other things can be made from it.
அதான் சைஸே. அதுக்கு மேலே அகலமே வரக்கூடாது. கீழே குறுகணும் அவ்வளோதான்.
To make clay pots. So this clay pots, flower pot, this lamps, this brick and this roof tiles, etc. See how beautiful things made from clay. See how beautiful. These things are made from clay only. Clay is a what material? Natural material. It is a type of what? Soil. Okay, children? Okay. Look here, children. What is this? Have you seen this, children? These are the clay pots with tap. These pots give us cool water without electricity. Do you know, children? See these pots made of clay and metal. These pots give us cooling water without electricity. Children, next topic is metals. Have you seen the different vessels in your kitchen, children? Look here. Metals are materials. These materials are metals got from metal ores. For example, gold, silver, iron and copper. Metals are shiny. See how shiny. When heated, metals can be shaped into any form. When heated, metals can be shaped into any form. Small paper clip or a huge aeroplane. For example, gold studs, steel vessels, aluminium vessels, this copper, iron knife, etc. These materials are got from metals, from the metal ores. For example, gold, silver, iron and copper. See children, metals are how shiny. Most pure metals like aluminium, silver and copper come from the earth crust. Where it comes from? Most pure metals like aluminium, silver and copper come from the earth's crust. Look here children, since metals are strong and hard. Metals are what? Strong and hard. Vehicles, gates and cooking vessels can be made from it. Next topic is matter. What is matter? Matter is everything around us. For example, matter is the air we are breathing. How do we breathe? Matter is the air we are breathing. Liquid is water we are drinking. These materials are solid. Okay, anything natural or man-made that occupies space is called a matter. Anything natural or man-made that occupies space is called a matter. Matter has properties like taste, smell, size and shape. Matter has properties like taste, smell, size and shape. See this apple. Apple is a natural thing. It occupies space. Apple is a natural thing. It occupies space. See this. This is a aluminium bowl. It's a man-made thing. It also occupies space. See this aluminium vessel. It is a man-made thing. It occupies space too. See this guavas occupy the space in this bowl. See these guavas occupy the space in this bowl. See this. They are small, round in shape and are sweet to taste. See these guavas. These are the guavas occupy the space in this bowl? They are small, round. See this round, small round in shape and are sweet to taste. This is about matter. Look here, children. Many materials are used in making an object. Do you know, children? Yes, very good. Many materials are used in making an object. Choose and write the correct pair of materials found in the given objects. Shall we do, children? Yes, very good. First one, materials found in motorbikes are. See these motorbikes. What are the materials found in this bike? First one, metals and clay. Is this correct, children? No. Rubber and clay. Is this correct? No. Last one, metals and rubber. Is this correct? Yes, correct. Very good. Metals and rubbers are correct answer. Second one, dash are found in these parts. See these parts. What are the materials found in these parts? First one, clay and rubber. Is this correct, children? No. Metals and clay. Is this correct? Yes, very good. This is the correct answer. Metals and clay are found in these parts. Okay, next one. This belt is made of. See this belt. What are the materials found in this belt? See, this is a leather and this is metal. So, what is the right answer? Fiber and rubber. Is this correct? No. Metals and clay. Is this correct? No. Metals and leather. Is this correct, children? Yes, very good. This is the correct answer. Metals and leathers are found in this belt. Okay, last one. See this chair. This chair is made of. See this chair. What are the materials found in this chair? Metals and wood. Is this correct, children? Yes, very good. See the second one. Fiber and clay, rubber. Wrong answer. Metals and clay. Wrong answer. Metals and wood is the correct answer. Metals and wood are the materials found in this chair. Okay, this activity you will do in this book, children. Okay. Look here, children. Book back questions. First one, number the natural sources as 1 and the man-made materials as 2. Which are the natural and which are the man-made materials? Shall we find out, children? Yes, very good. Come on. What is this? This is a clay. It is a natural sources. So, we should write number 1. See this picture. What is this? This is a trees. This is trees. This is natural sources. So, we should write 1. See, children, what is this? This is a man-made things. So, we should write 2. See this. This is leather. That is a man-made material. So, we should write 2. See this picture, children. This is a silk. This is a man-made material. So, we should write 2. See this. This is a silkworms. Natural material. Natural sources. So, we should write 1. Okay, children. You will do this work in your book, children. Look at, children. Write T if true and F if false. If the statement is right, we should write T. If the statement is false, we should write F. Come on, children. First one, Most metals are strong. Most metals are strong. Metals are strong or weak? Yes, very good. Most metals are strong. So, we should write T. True. Second one. Wood cannot be cut. Wood is a cuttable material. So, we should write false. Wood cannot be cut. Next one. Rubber is not elastic. Rubber is a elastic material. So, we should write false. Rubber is not elastic is a false statement. Next one. Wool keeps us warm. It is correct or not? Yes, it is correct one. Wool keeps us warm. So, we should write T.
Look here, children. Third Roman. Write the names of the materials that the given objects are made of. Shall we do, children? Yes. Come. Leather. 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 Rubber. 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 Metal. 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 Then clay. 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 They have given these materials. We should write the object from the materials. Shall we do, children? Yes, very good. Dash object. See this object. This is from clay. So, we should write clay objects. See the next one. What is this? Rubber. That is rubber tube. See this. What is this? Shoe. It is made from leather. So, leather shoe. Next one. This is metal. Gold. So, we should write gold chain. You will do this work in your book, children. Children, complete the tabulation by using the given pictures and by adding one more object on your own. Can we do, children? Yes, very good. They have given some materials and their names. Purse. P-U-R-S-E. Purse. Key. K-E-Y. Key. Gloves. G-L-O-V-E-S. Gloves. And wooden box. W-O-O-D-E-N-B-O-X. Wooden box. They have given some sources. What are the sources? Wood, rubber, leather and metal. We have to write the man-made things. From the wood, we get wooden box. One more thing, chair. From the rubber, we get gloves. One more object is eraser. From the leather, we get purse and one more object is belt. From the metal, we get key and one more object is gold bangles. You will do this work in your book, children. Look here, children. Today's homework. Questions and answers. First one. Name some sources of natural materials. Name some sources of natural materials. What are the natural materials? The answer is plants, animals, rocks and soil. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. Rocks, R-O-C-K-S, rocks. And A-N-D, and soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Second one, from where do we get rocks and soil? From where do we get rocks and soil? The answer is we get rocks and soil from metal ores. We get rocks and soil from metal ores. Read and write answers only one time, children.
Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you, children.